welcome to my YouTube channel. So this YouTube channel is going to be all about my game development progress. So I'm going to be categorizing my videos into 5 sections. Now these 5 sections are going to be color coded, just like the 5 types of items you get in games. We have progressive items like Diablo and Borderlands. Any gamer worth his salt would know these colors. They are white, green, blue, purple and gold. So the first section, the white videos, will be diary entries. So basically it will be a time-lapse progress video that shows the progress I've made since the last diary entry. So it will be me talking about what I've learned, what I think is important, and that type of thing. Now, the green videos will be tutorial videos. So they will be videos that I wish I had when I started to learn something. So, for instance, if it's a video that I couldn't find on YouTube, maybe it's there somewhere, but I couldn't find it, and I would have wanted it, this is the type of video that I would have wanted, and I would make that. So, the next section is the blue videos. Now, the blue videos will be, I think, the best way to test how much I've progressed. So it will be me making a game within 48 hours. Every, let's say, for the time being, every 2 months. So that will be a good benchmark to compare myself against, how much I've improved. Every 2 months, seeing, oh, my 3D modeling gets better, oh, my coding is better, I can work faster, that sort of thing. And the next section is the purple videos. Now, I think the purple videos are going to be the most fun ones. They will be let's plays of games that I will be releasing. So it would be incorporating people that want to join into the beta testing, and they can record themselves playing the game, and they can send it to me, and I'll make like a compilation of people playing my game, what they have to say, how they experienced it, whatnot. And also it would be let's plays, like in the future I would like to make multiplayer network games, and whoever wants to join, joins the lobby, and we just play the game and we make a let's play of it, and see everyone's experience of the game so far during beta. And the next section is the gold videos. So I think the most appropriate videos to go within this section will be the announcement of a game being released. When it's finally been through the development and the beta testing, and it's going to be released, and it's finalized, except for updates coming out later and whatnot. So yeah, those are the sections. So now you know which section you would like to see, and have a blast. Maybe it's a complete shite. I'm gonna go from being a noob to being less of a noob. Let's see where this journey takes me. All I know now for certain is I love making games. I might be super shit at making games, okay? But the thing is, it is a hell of a lot of fun. That's all I know, and for the time being it's like the most fun hobby I've ever had. And documenting that on this YouTube channel will be a blast. So if this is your type of thing, go and watch him, have a blast, and I'll see you in the next video.